Hi everyone, welcome to Irrational Maths Academy. In this video, we'll be solving two questions. So let's start. Express 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta in terms of tan theta by 2. So let me write down this. 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta. So to solve this one, we need to remember two formulas. One is cos 2 theta and sin 2 theta. So cos 2 theta, we have cos squared theta minus sin squared theta, or cos 2 theta also can be written as 1 minus 2 sin squared theta. Cos theta can be again written as 2 cos square theta minus 1. Is this clear? This is one formula you need to remember, and another is sin 2 theta formula you need to remember. That is sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Is this clear? Now, if you look at here, cos 2 theta equal to what? 2 cos square theta minus 1. If I take this minus 1 to the side, what happens here? 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta, or okay, or 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 equal to cos square theta. I can write. But as of now, I'll use this. So 1 plus 2 theta here. 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta, right? Same thing. If it is 2 theta, here you'll get theta. If it is 1 plus cos theta, if it is 1 plus cos theta, here if it is 2 theta, here you'll get 1 theta. If it is 1 theta, it is theta by 2, half theta. Clear? Similarly, cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. If I take this minus sin square theta to this side, and if I bring this to this side, so what happens here? If I take this minus 2 sin 2 sin square theta to this side, what happens here? 2 sin square theta plus sin square theta, it becomes equal to 1. If I bring this cos 2 theta to the side, 1 minus cos 2 theta. Clear? So here, if it is 2 theta, you'll get 1 theta. If it is 1 theta, then you'll get half theta. 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta, what you'll get? 2 sin square theta by 2. Clear? Similarly, if it is sin 2 theta, you'll get a 2 sin 1 theta and cos 1 theta. If it is sin theta, same thing. If it is sin theta, you can write it as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Clear? Now, same thing here. If you look at here, it is 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta. Here, look at here. 1 minus cos theta means what we can write here? 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 sin square theta by 2 plus sin theta. If you look at here, sin 2 theta means what? 2 sin theta cos theta. And if it is sin theta, 2 sin theta by 2 cos 2 theta by 2. 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 upon 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta means 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 cos square theta by 2. Again, sin 1 theta. 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Now if you look at here, I can take here 2 is there, here is also 2 is there, so I can take 2 common, and one more thing here, sin square theta by 2 is there. So, and here also sin theta by 2. So sin theta by 2 I can take common. If I take 2 sin theta by 2, what is left here? Sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2. Similarly, in the denominator also, we look at here 2 cos square theta by 2 here, and here 2 cos theta by 2 is there. So I can take 2 cos theta by 2. If I take 2 cos theta by 2, I'll be left with what? Cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2. Cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. So this also gets cancelled. So I'll be left with what? Sin theta by 2. We know sin theta upon cos theta is what? Tan theta. So sin theta by 2 by cos theta 2. We'll get tan theta by 2. What they asked? We need to express this in terms of tan theta by 2. This is what our answer. Next. Prove tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 upon tan theta minus secant theta plus 1 equal to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. So let me take the LHS side. LHS side, let me take tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 upon tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. So to solve this one, we need to remember the relationships and identities. So here we are talking about what? Tan theta and secant theta. So we need to remember what identity, that is 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. Or same thing, if I take this plus tan square theta to that side, what will get here? Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. If it, is this clear? So in place of 1, I can substitute what? Secant square theta minus tan square theta. So now let us start. Tan theta plus secant theta minus, here let me keep the bracket, this minus is for 1, right? So in place of 1, can I write this one? So secant square theta minus tan square theta upon tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. And one more thing we need to remember is a square minus b square. I can write it as what? A square minus b square formula is what? A plus b into a minus b. This, see, to solve this trigonometry, you need to remember formulas. That's it. And if you able to recall those identities, you can easily solve this trigonometry. So tan theta plus secant theta minus, here secant square theta minus tan square theta, a square minus b square form, right? So I can write it as secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. Clear? Upon tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. So if you look at here, from here I can take what? Tan theta plus secant theta common. Here secant theta plus tan, both are same only. So I can take secant theta plus tan theta common. If I take secant theta plus tan theta common, I'll be left with what? Here 1, I'll be left with 1 minus secant theta minus tan theta upon tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. So let me write down here. So secant theta plus tan theta. If I open this bracket, 1 minus secant theta plus tan theta. Is it clear? Upon tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Okay, 1 minus secant theta plus tan theta minus secant theta. If you rearrange this one, so tan theta minus secant theta plus 1 upon tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. So both gets cancelled. So you'll be left with what? Secant theta plus tan theta. Clear? So secant theta we know 1 by cos, tan theta sin theta by cos theta. Is this clear? So now I can write it as, if I take cos theta, denominator same, right? So 1 plus sin theta. This is what our required answer. So RHS. Is this clear? So I hope, okay, those two questions are clear. And if you have doubts, you can comment in the comment section.